Before we begin, what surprises first-timers at U.S. nude beaches? Expectations meet calm reality here. Stay with me. In minutes, you'll know what's truly typical and why people go. Across the U.S., a quiet, lawful beach culture is growing, low-key, respectful, and easy to overlook at a distance. At clothing-optional beaches, nudity is allowed but never required. Everyone chooses their own comfort level. At designated nude beaches, social nudity is the norm and clearly posted with signs and local rules. Both settings are guided by community etiquette and park regulations that emphasize privacy and consent. The purpose is simple: relaxation, nature, and body comfort. It is educational and cultural, not sexual. This is naturism, social nudity practiced for ease, health, and simplicity in appropriate spaces. It isn't new, but today's U.S. approach is calm, practical, and family-friendly where permitted. Expectation: a spectacle. Reality: ordinary people keeping to themselves, reading, swimming, walking the shore. The tone is unhurried and respectful, not performative or loud. Photography is restricted or prohibited without consent. Distance and discretion shape the experience. In this guide, we'll cover how these beaches work, the difference between clothing optional and designated zones, and why interest is rising, clearly and without sensationalism. Understanding them means tracing shifting social norms, wellness habits, and local policies along America's coasts. We'll clarify terms and expectations, so first-time visitors arrive informed and at ease. There isn't a single story. Contexts vary by beach and community. It weaves together changing leisure patterns, a growing focus on mental well-being, and a wider movement toward body acceptance and comfort. In short, how we travel, work, and build community now shapes how Americans use these coastal spaces. If you're new, you might picture a wild party, but most first visits reveal something quieter, a calm, ordinary place by the sea. Expectations arrive loud. Reality greets you with waves, books, soft conversations, and plenty of personal space. A simple orientation covers basics, then you notice relaxed smiles and an unhurried pace. The first minutes can feel awkward, then the mind settles as you see nudity treated as no big deal. That shift feels quietly liberating. Without fashion cues or status symbols, people meet as equals. Names, not job titles, chatting about the trail, the water, the weather. Families and singles share space respectfully. Eye contact, a friendly nod, and consent-led etiquette guide every interaction. Anxiety dips as the scene proves ordinary and kind. Many first-timers report surprise. It feels like normal life, only simpler. Typical scenes: a swim, a shoreline walk, sunscreen, and a book under shade. Nothing performative, nothing rushed. Sun warm on skin, breeze across shoulders, signals safety and ease. Bodies become unremarkable background to simple pleasures. Attention shifts from appearance to experience. The water, a laugh nearby, the sound of a page turning. Clear etiquette: towels, no photos, ask first, helps everyone feel secure and welcome. With time, posture loosens and breaths lengthen. Self-conscious scanning fades into simple participation. The mood is quiet, conversational, neighborly, not a party. Myth: a wild scene. Reality: sunset chats, board games, early nights, and lots of respect. Many return for this calm. Families and singles coexisting easily, routine pleasures, and a steadier state of mind. In naturist spaces, a few simple, unspoken rules keep everyone comfortable and safe. Rule 1: bring a towel and always sit on it. Chairs, benches, and shared surfaces. Rule 2: no staring. Keep eye contact natural and let attention drift respectfully. Rule 3: photos need clear consent. Most venues prohibit photography altogether. If you carry a phone, keep cameras down. Never point devices at people. Follow posted signs. Each location has specific guidance. Read it on arrival. Keep conversations ordinary. Talk about the day, not about bodies. Respect personal space. Give people room. Don't crowd towels or pathways. Wear what you need for health and comfort. Hats, sunscreen, wraps for sun or chill. Cover up when appropriate. At the gate, in parking areas, and mixed public zones. Be discreet when arriving and leaving. Keep the community low-key and welcoming. Offer help kindly, but avoid unsolicited advice about bodies or appearance. Mind hygiene. Use your towel on loungers and shared seats. Simple, considerate, standard. Take cues from the setting. If unsure, ask a host or read the orientation sheet. Keep devices minimal. Many clubs restrict cameras entirely to protect privacy. Ordinary manners matter. Greet, be polite, include newcomers in everyday activities. With these basics, the focus shifts from appearance to community and ease. Simple etiquette builds trust, so everyone can relax, feel safe, and just be. In the United States, naturist access is shaped by local law, not one national rule. Public indecency statutes exist everywhere, but definitions and enforcement vary by state, county, and city, and by context. Many places allow nudity only in designated zones or beaches with long-standing traditions. Examples include Hallover Beach in Florida, Black's Beach in California, and Gunnison Beach in New Jersey, mentioned here for education. Outside such areas, nudity may be prohibited. Always check state codes, county ordinances, and park service rules before you go. Official websites, posted signs at beach entrances, and ranger guidance clarify where, when, and how to participate. Seasonal rules, closures, and tide access paths, especially at cliffside beaches, can change day to day. Remember, these laws target lewd or sexual conduct. Respectful, non-sexual presence is essential where nudity is permitted. When unsure, bring a cover-up and follow posted etiquette. Private resorts or clubs provide clearer house rules, reservations, and privacy, useful for first-time visitors. Locals sustain access. Be discreet, pack out trash, and stay within marked areas. Responsible tourism helps communities maintain designated spaces. On U.S. coasts, recognized sites and cooperative policies show how clear rules can align recreation, safety, and local interests. Compliance builds goodwill with residents, lifeguards, and park services. The result, when people follow the rules, legal acceptance and access tend to endure. To understand today's naturism, we can also look to psychology, how context changes what a bare body signifies. In clear, rule-based settings with everyday activities, nudity becomes desexualized by context, a cue your brain reads as normal. Without fashion signals or status markers, appearance anxiety eases. You are not competing, you are simply present. The spotlight effect fades. Most people are busy relaxing, not judging you. Many report the first 10 minutes feel awkward, heightened self-awareness, quick scans of others. Then, as norms and ordinary tasks signal safety, tension drops and attention returns to the moment. Group norms do the work. Consent, no cameras, sit on a towel, friendly eye contact. Modeled behavior shapes everyone's behavior. As arousal and self-consciousness fall, body neutrality emerges. The body becomes functional, not a performance. Seeing ordinary diversity reduces upward comparison. Your inner critic has less to work with, and acceptance grows. Shared calm co-regulates. Breathing slows, conversation normalizes, and novelty fades into routine. Repeated non-sexual situations untangle nudity from sexuality, an essential basis for comfort and safety. These dynamics echo early ideals: health, simplicity, sunlight, now supported by social psychology findings on norms, attention, and anxiety. Experiences vary. Culture, identity, and history matter. Some feel empowered, others do not, and all responses are valid. Good clubs honor this with opt-in pacing, clear boundaries, and easy exits. Choice sustains trust. Practical tip for first-timers: arrive with a friend, follow the rules, and give yourself 15 minutes to settle in. In the right context, many report a quiet shift, from self-consciousness to presence, from body ideals to simple ease. Results differ, and that is okay. Before your first naturist beach visit, a little prep makes everything easier and more comfortable. Pack a large towel, sit on it everywhere. It's simple etiquette and keeps shared surfaces clean. Add water and high SPF sunscreen. Reapply after swimming or every couple of hours. Bring a hat and light sandals for hot sand and boardwalks. Arrive early, parking is calmer, and you can choose a spot with space. Walk in calmly. Use brief, respectful eye contact and simple greetings. No staring. Skip photography unless rules allow it, and everyone in frame gives clear consent. Follow lifeguards and rangers. Read posted rules at entrances and obey directions. No flag systems. Green is normal, yellow means caution, red signals danger. When in doubt, ask. Respect weather and surf. Check the forecast, currents, and tides before you swim. Choose a spot with space, downwind of others and away from busy walkways. Keep your towel with you. Use it on chairs, benches, and loungers. Stay hydrated and take shade breaks. Carry a light cover-up for facilities if requested. Pack out your trash. Sand-friendly bags keep things tidy and discreet. With a little prep and a lot of respect, you'll blend in, feel safe, and enjoy the freedom. A cornerstone of modern naturism is a consent-first culture, upheld by clear etiquette and attentive stewards. It creates a safe, comfortable space for families, solo visitors, and LGBTQ+ members alike, welcoming people of all ages, bodies, and abilities without judgment. Reputable clubs post rules, explain them at orientation, and have visible ambassadors to help. These guidelines enable comfort, not control. Sexual behavior is not tolerated. Flirting, leering, or suggestive photography are out of bounds, so everyone feels safe. Respect and consent guide every interaction. Ask before joining a group, accept a no gracefully, and give space when in doubt. Photography is permission only. Devices stay down in shared areas unless everyone agrees. These norms protect privacy so people can truly relax. Volunteers greet newcomers, offer rule pamphlets, and explain how to report concerns, quietly and promptly. Discreet locations, clear boundaries, and check-ins prevent intrusion. Families know what to expect. Clubs coordinate with authorities, follow local laws, and verify membership to sustain trust. As good neighbors, they host cleanups, stewardship days, and inclusive community events. Clear expectations are the framework that enables freedom. Trust grows when issues are addressed discreetly and taken seriously. Reporting channels are easy and confidential. The result is a calm, inclusive culture. Friendly nods, space for newcomers, and a visible diversity of ages and bodies enjoying the sunset together. In the United States, many nude beaches are ordinary, low-key social spaces, with clear norms and boundaries. Before you go, research the specific beach, local laws, posted rules, access points, and etiquette. Expect a consent-first culture. No photography without permission. Bring a towel to sit on, and respect families and non-participants. Listen to your comfort level. Observe first if you like, or keep a cover-up on at clothing-optional areas. Reality is quieter than stereotypes. Sun, swimming, reading, and simple conversations, not a spectacle. Many visitors report feeling less self-conscious and more at ease over time. Yet experiences vary, and no outcome is promised. Respect looks like avoiding prolonged gazes, asking before engaging or photographing, and giving people space. When norms are followed, the scene feels ordinary, like any beach, just with fewer clothes. Stewards, posted guidelines, and regulars often help newcomers learn. If unsure, ask or observe before joining in. Sustainable spaces depend on discretion, cleanliness, and considerate behavior. Pack out what you bring. In short, research your destination, arrive respectfully, set realistic expectations, and notice how your body and mind feel in the moment. If you choose to visit, start with a well-known clothing optional beach, read the posted rules, and leave if it doesn't feel right. Learn first, then decide.